How to archive post on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to archive post on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here once you're inside the profile section, just open the post that you want to archive. And now here once you're inside the post that you want to archive, you can just tap on the three dot menu shown in the top right corner of the post. And now here once you tap on the three dot icon or the two dash icon, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, what you can do is you can just search for archive option. So there, just search for archive option, and here once you've found that, you can just select it. And once you do that, the post will be removed from your profile and moved to your archive section where only you can see it. And here if you want to view your archive post later, then here you can just go to your profile section, and from there you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now here once you're inside the settings section, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and tap on archive. And now here in this section at the top you'll see several tabs. So from there you can just tap on story archive drop down menu, and from here a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu you can just select post archive, and after that on the next section you'll see the post that you have archived on Instagram. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.